Welcome to our video, where I will show you how to deal with dandruff naturally. Let's get into it, shall we? White flakes on your shoulders can be very embarrassing. Not only can dandruff cause embarrassment, but it can often cause burning, itching, and irritation on your head. It can occur in all types of hair, because it happens both when your hair is dried out or excessively oily. One way to get rid of dandruff is to use medicated shampoo daily. But how can you get rid of dandruff naturally? Today, we want to share a few home remedies that will help you get rid of your dandruff. Number 1. Apple cider vinegar. Due to its antioxidant properties, apple cider vinegar helps boost our immune system, balance our skin's pH levels, and reduce inflammation. Apple cider vinegar makes it more difficult for bacteria to spread on our scalp. To use, mix 1 cup of apple cider vinegar with a cup of water in a spray bottle and spray it on your hair, massaging it into your scalp 2 to 3 times a week. Let the mixture sit for 20 minutes, then rinse. Number 2. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is rich in vitamins, has great anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. To use aloe vera for dandruff, simply extract the gel from the plant, massage it into your scalp, and let it sit for 30 minutes. Then wash your hair as normal. Number 3. Honey and egg. A honey and egg hair mask eliminates the appearance of dandruff and also moisturizes and restores your hair's natural oil production. These ingredients contain enzymes and essential amino acids, which prevent dandruff when they are absorbed into your hair follicle. To use, beat an egg with 2 tablespoons of honey, 50 grams, and apply the mixture all over your hair. Cover it with a shower cap and let it sit for 30 minutes before washing your hair as normal. Repeat 3 times a week. Some extra things to do to reduce your dandruff. Avoid baths with very hot water because it makes your roots produce more oil. Avoid high-fat foods. Avoid sleeping on or putting your hair up when it's wet or damp. Do not rub your scalp with your nails. And avoid wearing any type of hats. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. For more amazing natural health remedies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.